Sit properly. Eyes on your paper. Stop whispering the answers. Tired of repeating these lines in the exam hall? Here's the solution. With Extra Intelligence Power Questions, you can create multiple unique questions for every student on the same concept, ensuring no passing of notes, no sneaky copying, completely fair and transparent assessments. And the best part? Creating multiple questions takes just a few clicks. Just log on to www.extramarks.com or the Extramarks teaching app. Head over to Assessments and tap Create Assessment. Select Online Test. Enter test name and time. Now choose your question mode, manual or automated. Add a few details, whatever you need. Select Power Questions in the question type. Click Assign Test and you're done. Thanks to Extra Intelligence, exams are now cheat-proof and you don't have to be a detective in the exam hall.